3 reasons why choose Genacol's AminoLock Collagen for your joint repair. First, it is the only product to use Genacol's AminoLock sequence technology, which produces a hydrolyzed collagen of less than 1 kilodalton with a unique peptide profile. Second, it is backed by 3 clinical studies demonstrating its effectiveness. Third, it is the only product to have demonstrated clinical efficacy for the reduction of joint pain at a daily dose of 1.2 gram compared to other collagen products requiring daily doses of 10 to 15 grams.